CNC Lathe is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of Computer Numerical Control (CNC) technology to automate the process of cutting, drilling, and shaping materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. The CNC Lathe machine is a versatile tool that can produce complex shapes and designs with high precision and accuracy. The machine is programmed with a set of instructions that guide the cutting tool to move along the material, removing excess material until the desired shape is achieved. The CNC Lathe service is widely used in the manufacturing industry to produce a variety of products such as automotive parts, aerospace components, medical devices, and consumer goods. The service offers several benefits, including increased productivity, reduced labor costs, improved accuracy, and consistency in product quality. The CNC Lathe machine can also perform multiple operations in a single setup, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing the risk of errors. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components for various industries, including aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive. The company offers a wide range of services, including CNC Lathe, CNC Milling, welding, fabrication, and assembly. The CNC Lathe service is one of the core services offered by Berkness Company, and it is performed using state-of-the-art equipment and technology. Berkness Company's CNC Lathe service is ideal for customers who require high precision and accuracy in their products. The company's team of experienced engineers and technicians can work with customers to design and develop custom parts that meet their specific requirements. The CNC Lathe service is also suitable for customers who require small to medium-sized production runs, as the machine can produce parts quickly and efficiently. Customers who are interested in learning more about Berkness Company's CNC Lathe service can visit the company's Contact Us page on the website. The page provides customers with various ways to get in touch with the company, including phone, email, and an online contact form. Customers can also request a quote for the CNC Lathe service by filling out the online form, providing details about their project requirements. The company's customer service team will respond promptly to all inquiries and provide customers with the information they need to make an informed decision about their project. FAQs. 1. What is a CNC lathe and how does it work in manufacturing? A CNC lathe is a computer-controlled machine tool that is used to shape and cut materials such as metal, wood, and plastic. It works by using a computer program to control the movement of the cutting tool, which is mounted on a rotating spindle. The material is held in place by a chuck or collet, and the cutting tool moves along the material to create the desired shape or cut. 2. What are the advantages of using a CNC lathe in manufacturing? There are several advantages to using a CNC lathe in manufacturing, including increased precision and accuracy, faster production times, and the ability to create complex shapes and designs. CNC lathes also require less manual labor, which can reduce costs and improve efficiency. Additionally, CNC lathes can be programmed to produce identical parts, which is important for maintaining consistency and quality in mass production. 3. What are some common applications of CNC lathes in manufacturing. CNC lathes are used in a wide range of manufacturing applications, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics industries. They are commonly used to produce parts such as shafts, gears, and bearings, as well as more complex components like turbine blades and medical implants. CNC lathes can also be used for prototyping in small-scale production runs, as well as for high-volume production of identical parts. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.